This practical is basically for UG semester 5 chemistry honors. Aim to determine the sophistication value of the given sample of fat or oil, particularly coconut oil. The principle behind this experiment is the CH2OCOR, CHOCOR, CH2OCOR plus 3OKOH, then it will give CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH plus 3R COK, that is salt. The materials required in this experiment are: the sample is coconut oil, and the apparatus used in this experiment are conical flask, reflux condenser, water bath, burette and pipette, beaker, etc. The chemicals required in this experiment is 0.5 normal HCl, phenolphthalein, alcoholic NaOH or KH or ethanol solution. The preparation of phenolphthalein is done by 0.5 gram is dissolved in 50 ml distilled water plus 50 ml ethanol. That is 100 ml में 0.5 gram in 1 ml 0.5 into divided by 100 for 10 ml the value is 0.05 gram. That is, to prepare 0.5 normal HCl we use the equation N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. That is, the value of V1 is equal to 0.5 into 500 divided upon 11.3 and the value of V1 is 22.12. What are the procedure behind First of all, what are the procedure behind this experiment? At first of all, number one is weight 1 gram of coconut oil and dissolve in about 3 ml of ethanol. Number second procedure, add 50 ml of alcoholic NaOH/KOH and mix well. Number third procedure is place both the flask, blank sample and the sample mixture of coconut oil in a boiling water bath for near about 1 to 2 hours so that the solution may be homogeneous. Number 4 is cool the flask to at room temperature. Number 5 is add 1 drop of phenolphthalein indicator in both the sample. Now titration start with 0.5 normal HCl. And then note down the end point. These are the observations of the blank solutions. For excess NaOH remaining for blank, sample number 1, initial burette reading, final burette reading and the difference. At first of all, we take the initial burette reading 0 and the final burette reading is 20 and the difference 20 minus 0 to 220. For blank solution, we take in burette it is 20 and it comes to the 50, near about 52. Then it is the value is 52 minus 20, that is 32. Now the calculation part. For the calculation part, sophistication value is equal to by the formula B minus S into 20 divided upon W3. So blank solution is 32 and the solution is minus 20 into 20 divided by 1. That is 240 milligram per milligram. The conclusion, the sophistication value of the given value is 2240 milligram. Process behind this experiment has been done pictorially in this video, and this video is very good and it will be very helpful for the coming exam of chemistry honors students, and it will add some more knowledge while performing the experiment. So thank you. अब इसको UG semester 5, that is sophistication of an oil. So first of all we will discuss what is sophistication. Sophistication is the hydrolysis of an ester with NaOH or KOH which gives alcohol and sodium or potassium salt of an acid. Simply, sophistication reactions, triglycerides are generally animal fats and vegetable oils. When they are reacted with sodium hydroxide, a hard foam or soap is created. The sophistication value can be defined as the value which represents the number of milligrams required to solidify 1 gram of fat under the specified conditions. So for this, first of all, we have to weight the coconut oil. Or in present case, we just use the parachute coconut oil. So first of all, we just weigh 1 gram of coconut oil. So for this, just we take the on a weighing machine, just to open, we put the 1 gram of coconut oil, solid है क्या? Drop by drop, so that 1 gram coconut this is 1 gram near about coconut oil. 1.01, that is roughly equal to 1.0 gram. Okay. Then coconut oil in a beaker, and then we add 3 milliliter of ethanol. This will give 3 milliliter of ethanol. जो लंबा आपको बोलो ना, कोई बात नहीं, हम उसको कर लेंगे। तो ये आप कितने, सॉरी ये कितना है, 46, 47, 48, 46 से 49 डालना है ना, ठीक है, ठीक है, ये देख लो, इज इट क्लियर? 46 to 49, we just take the 3 ml of ethanol, 3 ml ethanol, sorry 49, then this will be equal to 3 ml of ethanol. Okay,
जल्दी करो, अल्कोहलिक करो।
so we added 50 ml of alcoholic NaOH or KOH just to give the NaOH prepared. NaOH. Just 50 ml. 50 ml ना, अगर यहाँ भी सकते हो।
दो उसमें दो तेजी से
50 में ऊपर तक जाएगा ना, तो चिंता क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? जाने दीजिए, 50 तक कहाँ रुक जाइएगा? 50 में तो जाने दीजिए ना, 50 तक है।
थोड़ा सा रुको, देखने में
Now 50 ml alcoholic KOH is added in the beaker, which consists of coconut oil. Then it is dissolved in 3 ml ethanol, and is drop by drop we added 50 ml alcoholic NaOH. Bring another one conical flask, which will be added. Just the solution. We just keep in a conical flask. Then it is heated on a water bath for nearly about 1 hour, so that the solution may be homogeneous. This is a water bath where we put this conical flask, which consists of the solid, kept for 1 hour.
हाँ हाँ बस 1 घंटा ये कंप्लीट है।
Time taking, what is the time? The time is near about 12 to 25.
12:25
12:25.
11:25
स्टॉपवॉच ठीक है मैंने
12:25.
स्टॉपवॉच लगा स्टॉपवॉच लगा
इधर छोड़ दो। चल इसको
नो सर
फिर जब after 20 minutes near about 12:50 ना 12:50 the color changes as you see on the water bath. Is it okay? While floats and on the meniscus है ना this layer, still the solution is not homogeneous. Now still we require more heating. क्या
लिखा
एमएससी में भी लिखा था फ्रेंड, एमएससी में लिखा
नहीं गया है, खाली छुट्टी कर दे।
अच्छा इसमें डालो
ये
वो वही डालो।
इसको पहले उस बोतल में डालो, उसी बोतल में डालो और सेट करो। वो जो 50 ml वाला जो केज था वो कहाँ है? कौन है 50 ml वाला केज?
थोड़ा सा हाँ और थोड़ा 2-3 बूंद यस सर डन बस सर बस डन
हम लोग ऐसा वाला चेक कर रहे हैं तो ये बर्फ
एक आदमी पकड़ो, एक आदमी घुमाओ। हाँ ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप नाउ टाइट्रेट ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप।
थोड़ा फास्ट, हल्का
चलो आप चलो
हल्का फास्ट करो।
पिंच टॉप को डालिए। हाँ नहीं आया
सर ये पूरा दबा हुआ है आ रहा
चलो करो स्लोली आया।
ये देखो
अब ये ठीक है लो देख रहे हैं ना, सीखना तुम लोग को, हम लोग को नहीं है। और एक आदमी करता है, 2 आदमी मिलकर नहीं है।
And the pink is now colorless.
बकेट है
Now note the data.
कितना है
कहाँ से देखो, see the value.
12.5
ये
12.5
पीछे लिखो
12.5
वैल्यू लिखो 12.5
12.5
हो गया। अब चलो इसको
इधर
above practical for the purification of the coconut oil. We have done lots of experiment, and today we use the blank solution. This is a blank solution. In blank solution we add a few amounts of phenolphthalein, drop by drop, and now it is totally pink, and just we a good one. Drop by drop we titrate it. Titrate is drop by drop, so that the color in burette we have taken the HCl, and in conical flask this is a blank solution with phenolphthalein in it, and we are just doing drop it drop by drop and see what happens. Chinese.
तो गिराव रहे हो
जा ही नहीं रहा है
जाएगा.
यहाँ से ऊपर नीचे लगा इसको
Is totally colorless, and the pink value, the color of the pink color totally color change. The naphthalene color is light pink.
फिर से दो इसमें चेक करेंगे
Now in the reaction is complete or not, just we drop 1-2 drops of naphthalene. Now no pink color appears, which means that whole solution is neutralized. Okay,
ऊपर आओ
you just drop, just see 1 drop naphthalene. No color.
ऊपर आओ
Just check whether the reaction has completed or not. Now the whole reaction
100%
has completed, and this experiment takes near about 6 to 7 hours to complete the whole reaction. And thanks to the UG5 students, namely Ankita, Shalini, Abhishek, Pushpa, Sambul, Akash, Shivam, and my colleague Dharmender sir, and myself HOD Anil Kumar, and UG students happy. Thanks to all, and we will see in our hot spot chemistry channel this whole practical video. Thanks. Okay.